Exeter St David's, where this train will terminate. Before you leave the train here, please can you ensure you have all your belongings with you? And please take care as you step down onto the platform. Just a quick reminder with regards to security, so if you do spot any suspicious behaviour or activity, or any unattended items either on the train or on the platform, please report this immediately to a member of staff. You can also text British Transport Police on 61016. Please change here for services through to Barnstable, Oakhampton, Exmouth, Waterloo and Paddington. Passengers for Barnstable, your next service will be at 1819, platform 3. Oakhampton, platform 2 at 1846. Exmouth, platform 1 at 1816. London Waterloo, platform number 1 again, 1815. And London Paddington at 1813 on platform number 5. Exeter St David's, our next and final stop. It will be running fast from Exeter to David, direct to Bristol Temple Meads only. Please just stay on this train. So passengers, you can also change Bristol Temple Meads. Obviously, you can also stay on this train and change at Bristol Temple Meads. This train will be stopping at Exeter to David. Oh, right. That hasn't confused the everyone. They'll be like, what do I do?
Look, as long as we get off the train now, we'll go Wednesday straight to Bristol.
Anyone who's going to Bristol or going via Bristol.
It makes sense to stay on this, doesn't it?
Yeah, which means I don't need to lock it up because it does say secure. So,
Saves you a job.
huh?
Saves you a job.
Yeah, are you staying on then?
Pretty good out to D. Because it makes my life easier at Bristol.
Cool. How many hours does it take to get from here to Bristol? How long? Oh, it's only an hour.
Less than that if you don't stop.
Yeah, you might have another nice girl getting on. Who goes, sit and chat to you. Teach you something you might not know.
TGS doesn't work yet because they have to go to the middle. And that's the TGS.
Yeah, there is that.
所以